नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए लाए हैं हम किड्स टीवी।
Assalamualaikum. Tell me correct number. Which number is this?
3.
Yeah, you are right. Number is 3. And this color is?
Red.
Yeah, this color red. Okay. Which number is this?
2.
Yeah, this number is 2. And color is?
Blue.
Yeah, this color is blue. Which number is this?
8.
Yeah, this number is 8. And color is?
Pink.
Yeah, this color is pink. Which number is this?
4.
Yeah, this number is 4. And color is?
Red.
Yeah, this color is
Red.
red. Okay. Which number is this?
6.
Yeah, this number is 6. And this color is?
Yellow.
Yeah, this color is yellow. Which number is this?
1.
Okay, this number is 1. And this color is?
Red.
Yeah, this color is red. Which number is this?
7.
Yeah, this number is 7. And color is?
Purple.
Yes, this color is purple. Which number is this?
10.
Yeah, this number is 10. And which color this?
Orange.
Yes, this color is orange. Which number is this?
5.
Yes, this number is 5. And color is? Which color is this?
Mustard.
Yeah, this color is
Mustard.
mustard. Which number is this?
9.
Yeah, this number is 9. And color this?
Pink.
Dark pink.
Dark pink.
Yes, this color is
Dark pink.
Please like and subscribe Kids TV. Allah Hafiz.
Please like and subscribe this TV. Allah Hafiz.